Okay, here we have it, everybody. Cut it, cut it, cut it. Our BOM 2023. They just got here from the Kidders. I'm very excited. So let's just see what it looks like. Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, look at
beautiful.
this. Okay, let's come over here. Can I show the front, Kristen?
Yes.
I can?
Of the quilt or of the kit?
Of the quilt. No. You mean mommy. Look at this, everybody. I'm going to just gently slide it out. Okay. And we didn't cut it. Now look, within this, there's, yeah. And again, this is by Sarah Filkey, and it's a ton of Tula pink fabric.
Mm-hmm. It's all Tula.
No,
no,
because
you're right, it's
cave
not.
snuck in. Is this Tula?
Yes.
Oh, I love those ladybugs. Okay. So I think these are going to be available shortly. The quilt is just, oh, look at the colors of the quilt. Kate, what are you doing with the girls in here?
And let's show them the fabric that we curated.
Yeah. So in the when Sarah made the quilt, she chose a polka dot background, all right? And then the quilt had to be put together and pieced maybe whatever later, and we couldn't get it. So we said, okay, we can do our own. So the polka dot went to this beautiful little square print that Kristen actually put together. Good job. And I think it's actually going to make the quilt a little bit brighter.
Yes.
You know?
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. Oh, look at these against that. I don't want to mess this up too much. Right? I mean, look.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, and that's
nice hand to it.
Is this shot cotton too? Right here?
No, Tula just has a really good line of solids that kind of have a fresher infusion of color in it. And the other thing that's so cool about this BOM is that we're going to have monthly videos with Sarah. We also have the guidance of Barbara Black. And then, of course, we kick off the first show of the year with the BOM, and we can see other quilts of Sarah's. So, Sarah Filkey, thank you so much. We love the quilt. This kit is a rock star, an absolute rock star. And we know you'll enjoy it.